Today we will discuss a few important facts on osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis literally means fragile bones or bones that are more likely to break. Why is this important? It's important because if you break a bone, that impairs the quality of your life, and in fact if you break bones like your hip bone, that can in fact affect your lifespan too. Now, does osteoporosis cause any symptoms? Yes, if you break a bone, obviously you have a lot of pain, so that's an important symptom. In other words, osteoporosis does not cause any symptom till you have a fracture. A lot of patients think they have aches and pains here and there, they have joint pains, and they attribute it to a low bone density or an osteoporosis, which is not correct. Osteoporosis generally does not cause any symptoms till you actually break a bone. How do you find out if you have osteoporosis? Obviously, if you've had a fall and you've broken a bone, then it's likely that you have osteoporosis. There are tests to find out if you have osteoporosis as well. One of the tests recommended is called a bone density test or a DEXA scan, which is a specialized X-ray technique, which will find out the density of your bone or your strength of your bone. So this is generally recommended that patients who are over 65 years, both men and women. Again, it was previously thought that osteoporosis is predominantly a women disorder, but it is no longer so. In fact, even men also get osteoporosis. So aged people more than 65, it's good to have a bone density to see what their bone strength is and decide whether they need treatment. How do you keep your bones healthy? Well, there are some simple things that you can do to keep your bones healthy. Number one is to have adequate amount of calcium in your diet. So general products like milk products, yogurt, green leafy vegetables contain plenty of calcium. So adequate amount of calcium in your diet is an important one. Second, of vitamin D. Unfortunately, vitamin D is not present in a lot of our food intake. So it comes from sunshine. Between about 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. In the afternoon is where you get a good amount of UV light that can synthesize vitamin D in your skin. If you cannot get this time of sunlight, then it's advisable to take some vitamin D supplements to keep your vitamin D levels in the target range. Third, important is to have weight bearing exercise, anything that you put weight on. So standing, any exercise that you do standing or any exercise that will help involve lifting up weights, which is called weight bearing exercises, will again strengthen your bone. And importantly is to stop smoking. Again, that will also help you avoid developing osteoporosis. Now, on one end, when we discuss about strengthening a bone, it's also important for particularly elderly people to avoid falling at home. So simple measures like avoiding too much of a very smooth tiling in the bathroom and the bedrooms, as well as having computer wire on the floors which can cause them to trip and fall, are simple precautions that one can take. Again, medicines that people take at night to go to bed, like sleeping pills or anxiety medicines, can again cause people to feel groggy and dizzy when they wake up in the middle of the morning to go to the bathroom, and this may cause them to fall. So again, prevention of a fall is as important as keeping your bones strong. Now, can osteoporosis be treated? Yes, there are medicines to treat osteoporosis. You'll have to meet your endocrinologist and discuss with them the benefits and the risks of the medicines and go from there. Thank you.